to chasing trophies another day, and the IPL is gone, and the Chennai Super Kings have defeated the Mumbai Indians in the Wankhede by 100 plus runs. Can you believe it? Chennai, who are missing 2-3 players, come to the Wankhede, they show up, they rock up to the Wankhede and put in a dominant performance. First of all, Sanju Samson, hats off to him, an incredible 100, carrying the CSK team to a 200 plus score. Uske baad, bhai, Akil Hussain with the ball in the power play, he was outstanding. Mukesh Chaudhary, amazing performance, and from whatever he's gone through in the last couple of days to come and bowl like that, incredible. Noor Ahmed was on a hat trick. Akil Hussain, man, we just got to do this all day. A great performance from Chennai Super Kings. Faiz joining me as well. Faiz, this is a shocking result for me, and the manner of the result. And yes, Mumbai Indians, you can talk about them. You can talk about Chennai Super Kings. Your thoughts on this game?
Yeah, man. थोड़े दिन पहले आप गुजरात को 100 में बिखरे. आज आप 104 पे ऑल आउट हो गए.
Yeah.
Both pathetic Mumbai Indians दिख रहे right now. Like we've been talking about this thing for a while now. कि what is the problem Mumbai Indians? No one can figure it out. यार, it's a very collective failure right now. Management की बात भी करें, हम team की भी बात कर रहे हैं, coaches की भी बात कर रहे हैं. A lot of communication from a lot of people. There's no single head of authority in either place. I think so. Everybody, there's a lot of voices in and around. Chennai Super Kings, like you said, credit man with just Sanju stepping up for them. If you look at it that way. Sanju made like 107 and they made 102 or something, and Mumbai all out in 104. So that just shows you, man, like Chennai जैसी team है where they're injured. Ayush Matre, they don't have Dhoni. You know, सब वो धोनी रहे तो धोनी नहीं है ये season. फिर भी वो लोग they're bucking up under pressure. Ruturaj Gaikwad, whatever, man, as the captain today, the way he rotated the spinners and they played Akil Hussain as an impact because Prashant Will already announced. वो change कर दिया. So you know they're making very bold calls, taking smart decisions. देख लिया विकेट फंस रही है, देख लिया विकेट में ग्रिप है थोड़ी स्पिनर्स के लिए, and आपने चेंज कर दिया. On the other hand, मुंबई इंडियंस आप देखो सब है आपके पास, लेकिन आप कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे. You're lost. You have no control over the team. I don't think you have identified your match winner. I don't think you have identified, you know, who your pacer है. कभी क्रिस भगत आपको फाइनल ओवर लाके दे रहा है. ऐसे दिन आके मुंबई इंडियंस में क्रिस भगत आके आपको फाइनल ओवर. हार्दिक पांड्या पावर प्ले में पिट जा रहे हैं. फिर भी फंसा सकते थे, बट संजू सैमसन लास्ट 3-4 ओवर्स में धूम मचा दिया. एंड यू नो आई थिंक चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स जस्ट आउटशाइंड देम. एंड वानखेड़े में ऐसा हारना, आई थिंक फर्स्ट टाइम एवर ऐसा हारे हम लोग वानखेड़े.
या 100%. एंड भाई इंडिया का कप्तान सूर्य कुमार यादव चेस के साथ पहले तो हार्दिक की परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अंडर पार है विद द बॉल, ठीक है. आज उन्हें, एंड मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ, everyone wanted Bumrah to bowl the first over. He bowled. Yeah. They still lost by 100 runs. And Bumrah didn't bowl badly, but I'm just thinking like we don't know what the hell is happening, man. This is like some crazy stuff happening. We don't understand.
I hope Netflix वाले इन लोगों का माइक लेके अंदर घुस जाए.
Yeah, मतलब it would be interesting.
All or nothing of Mumbai Indians because फिलहाल तो nothing and nothing चल रहा है.
यार भाई वो तो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होगा यार. पहले तो हार्दिक पांड्या ने चल रहे, सूर्य कुमार यादव इंडिया का कप्तान है, चलो ठीक है. इंडिया के लिए एक तो पारी खेला था यूएसए वाला, मतलब टूर्नामेंट सेविंग
था, बट यार
हां
वो ड्रॉप हो गया.
या टूर्नामेंट सेविंग, मतलब यू नो ही केप्ट इन द टूर्नामेंट
के अगेंस्ट भी थोड़े बायलैटरल मैच उनके परफॉर्मेंस.
बट लाइक आई एम जस्ट गिविंग सम स्लैक ओवर देयर, बट लाइक या ही प्रोबब्ली नोबडी विल गिव हिम दैट स्लैक. चलो ठीक है यार, उसके रन नहीं आ रहे, अब उसके रन है इस तरीके के रन. आप 200 ऐसा आप 300 चेस नहीं कर रहे, 200 चेस कर रहे हैं आपको, बट आपको चला तो रहना, वो भी नहीं चला रहे, इतना प्रेशर में खेल रहे हैं. When the required rate was 11, 12, I kept saying he has to hit. He's taking singles, he's taking doubles. He can't even connect the leg side shots anymore.
100%.
तिलक वर्मा भी चलो ठीक है 100 मार दिया, मगर आज प्रेशर में क्या हुआ? जब प्रेशर वाज ऑन, व्हाट हैपेंड? ओपनिंग क्विंटन डिकॉक आउट हो गया, दानिश आउट हो गया. बट आई यू स्टिल हैव द मिडिल ऑर्डर. अगर आपके रन नहीं बन रहे भाई, आउट हो जाओ, कोई आके मार देगा, आप फिर भी आप 2007 वाली टी20 क्यों खेल?
इंटेंट ही नहीं दिखा साहब लोग ना, नो इंटेंट. एंड तिलक वर्मा लास्ट गेम आपको बुला के दिया, he should have a better idea of how to go about a chase now, like from the last game if you look at it. Surya Kumar Yadav यार Mr. 360 बोल रहे हैं. He's not been the same, man, like since a while now, and it's shocking कि भाई this guy who's potentially what we were expecting India's biggest T20 player to be, he's struggling at a place where he's known to only hit. Wankhede में अगर आप 104 पे बिखर रहे, that shows like these are the signs of a team that is internally split, on the field split. भाई मेरे को अपने को अभी बोले कि चिट्टियां दे रहे थे भाई किसको बॉल करने हैं. Why are you controlling so much? These are international cricketers, भाई. They've seen the world. They've played in conditions which are like different from the Wankhede. They've made wins over there. You have, like you said, Surya, रोहित, जसप्रीत, हार्दिक, सैंटनर, ये पूरे कैप्टन है भाई आपके पास. बेंच आपके पास विल जैक्स, रिकिल्टन, so many things. And फिर भी आपको you got a substitute man when it was not even a concussion. So everything is in your favor. The stars are not aligning. CSK is a team which is already broken since last year. They are rebuilding, and I credit them for their patience. Right, the patience CSK has shown. The owner Vishwanath, the Dhoni not coming to the ground. They're trying to make it a homely environment. यार ऋतुराज को breathing space दे रहे. No one is abusing ऋतुराज there. यहाँ पे
तो भाई उसको तो अब्यूज कर दे रहे हैं. हार्दिक को अगेन द थिंग इज अब लास्ट ईयर बिकॉज़ ऑफ प्लेऑफ्स आए तो थोड़ा शांत था इस सीजन, बट आई डोंट नो और कितना शांत रह सकते. देयर विल बी आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट गेम इफ he might start getting boost again. Like I don't think अभी तक हुआ, maybe हुआ, but मैं सुना नहीं. लेकिन he might getting that, and now the whole world is going to be after Hardik Pandya because the Mumbai Indians is a massive franchise. There's a huge investment. You know they've invested in the top players, creme de la creme of international and foreign players. Their replacements are so crazy as well, and their 11 is so crazy as well. Whichever 11 they play, it's the best 11 in the IPL. And when you see the IPL right now, you see teams like Lucknow, you see teams like KKR, you see teams like Delhi Capitals. I feel that अरे ये 3-4 इन लोगों को दे दो, you'll make the league more competitive. इतनी strong है Mumbai Indians. चलो ठीक है, उन लोग रखे, they have every right to buy the players, they have every right to retain players. I completely understand. But then if you're putting up performance every night, you are going to be criticized. Look, Hardik Pandya took the captaincy back in 2024. One bad season, one alright season. But like if you're going to continue like this, you're not going to make it easy. And the thing is, it feels like they're not contributing as a team. They're just like, Bumrah looks a bit out of place. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 11 players are out of form, man.
Exactly, and that's what it is. 11 players are out of form, and 11 players at the same time, and 11 players who are of international standards. Maybe Danish Malwar को छोड़ के, and the नमन धीर भी यहाँ पे 4 साल से तो खेल रहे हैं. Maybe Chris Bhagat को छोड़ दूंगा. यार अश्विनी अच्छा डाल रहा है. Look at him, man. He's looking at like a much better bowler than most of them. And you got Mitch Santner, Allah Gallan for what a spin duo, man, and you can make this team into anything. You got Shardul Deepak Char, fast bowling all rounder, medium pace all rounder. You got Santner who can bat. You got Rutherford को आप यार गुजरात से लेके आए, जो गुजरात स्ट्रगल कर रही है अभी उसके बिना, वो तक वहाँ पे फेल हुआ. So what is the problem? Obviously, you go. Everyone is giving Hardik the stick because he's the guy who came here. Unfortunately, the deal that Ambani did behind the doors and not informing or whatever it was, that all is the start of the problem. But still 25 में you managed to salvage. What is different from 25 to 26? Nobody is able to understand that.
But even then, they had to make a comeback. Like look, वहाँ पे भी दिल्ली का मैच था, वो करुण नायर वाला इंसिडेंट वाला, तो वहाँ पे भी फंस जाते थे. They can still make a comeback this season. By the way, they're not out yet. लोग ये सब भी कर सकते हैं. Hardik might be get lauded. But the thing is, I just feel
7 and 7 both मुश्किल है.
हाँ, मतलब if anyone can do it, it's RCB. But like, but the thing is, Mumbai Indians have the team to do it, right? They have the quality of players. But should they be in this position in the first place? That is the question. वो बाद में दिखेंगे, लोग आए प्लेऑफ में, ये को लोग आके बोलेंगे मुंबई फैंस अपनी मजाक उड़ाएंगे, वो ठीक है. मगर अभी ये टीम के साथ अभी पोजीशन में नहीं होना चाहिए ना. एंड हार्दिक भाई देखो, कप्तानी थी, उन्हें क्या करा, उसको नहीं मालूम कि टर्न होने वाला बॉल, उसको नहीं मालूम था. क्यों आप टॉस जीत रहे हैं, आप सब कर रहे हैं, क्या डिसीजन ले रहा भाई?
Usually Hardik Pandya, when I remember in India's T20 camp, he's a good reader of the pitch.
Yeah.
He's actually a very good reader of the pitch. Now, how you gonna? Maybe you saw कि KKR के गेम के अगेंस्ट आप चेस कर लिए थे, आपको बट उस टीम
उसके बाद कितने मैच हुए?
रोहित रिकल्टन खेल रहे थे, वो लाइक पूरी टीम चेस.
नहीं, उसके बाद कितने मैच हुए? और वानखेड़े में
3 होंगे.
वो RCB हुआ था, पंजाब हुआ था, अब ये हुआ. उसमें क्या बोलता है, आप देख सकते हैं ना, मैचेस हो रहे हैं, आप देख सकते हैं. अगर ड्यू आ रहा नहीं आ रहा, कुछ तो कर सकते हैं. चलो ठीक है,
बैटिंग फर्स्ट करके जीते.
एंड पंजाब का तो चीज हो गया था. बट यार देखो, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि आप रीड तो कर सकते हैं ना कि लाइक टर्न होने वाला पिच है. चलो ठीक है, वो भी मैं देता हूँ. फिर आप बॉलिंग, आप ना आपसे बॉलिंग हो रही, ना आपसे बल्लेबाजी हो रही. ठीक है, आप ऑलराउंडर है, वर्ल्ड बेस्ट के, आपसे वो नहीं हो रहा. तो अब कहाँ जाए? लाइक आप पहले क्या हो रहा था? There was a split. There was a Hardik camp and a non-Hardik camp. Okay, the Hardik camp was saying that these players are sabotaging him, right? And those guys were saying that like, no, Hardik sabotaged them by taking the captaincy. Now nobody is working. That is the problem. Now like that whole both camps are destroyed. It's all one camp now.
Basically, the camp where no one is performing camp wala ho gaya. And yeah, again, Akash Ambani has to chill. I don't know. He's like what I saw today just as a player, I wouldn't feel comfortable, and I know it's been happening, but इतना मैं maybe notice नहीं करा कि यार इतना मैंने dugout में घुस गया आज तो यार, like he's up them right now. Bro, they're playing a game, let them play, do whatever you want. Like हम गोयंका जी को बोलते कि यार वो ground पे गालियाँ दे रहे, maybe this guy must have done the same thing. Like I don't know, I have no evidence on this, but यार ठीक है कि smile, but हंसते हंसते भी 10 चीज बोल देते लोग. And yeah, again, it is just like how I said, there's so many superstars in this team. It should be a top team right now. And I know a lot of people, like all of the fans who are not in Mumbai, they're happy to see this downfall because, yeah, this is a strong team. And you know, these guys are the biggest competition for any RCB, Punjab, Sunrise, कोई भी टीम हो यार, हम अभी खुश हैं क्योंकि ये टीम नहीं आ रही है. अभी भी हम उनको रख रहे हैं इन कंटेंशन बिकॉज यही टीम एक है जो कर सकती है. बट अगर आपका सिचुएशन ऐसा है डगआउट में और आपका सिचुएशन ग्राउंड में है तो यार आई डोंट नो ड्रेसिंग रूम में तो क्या ही होगा फिर.
Yeah, 100%, man. Like the dressing room must be under pressure now. We keep saying every match they lose, tough calls should be taken, but we don't even know what the tough calls is right now because they're making all sorts of calls. चल रहे हैं अब, एक मैच दानिश खेला और कौन से आपके आपके दो youngsters खेले, so it's good they got the opportunity. But now we're seeing take them out, then we're seeing get this guy, that guy. We don't know what the exact problem is, but they'll have to find out because there's top-notch coaches there, there's top-notch mentors there, there's a lot of experienced players there, there's captain there. Maybe Rohit Sharma comes back into the team. That will help them. I don't know. We'll find out at the Wankhede against Sunrisers. That would be a massive game for them because if they lose there, then the tournament will be fading away from them. For Chennai Super Kings, like Faiz said, I think it was a fantastic performance and they're fighting it. They're showing some fight despite all the problems, injuries and everything. They're showing some fight there, and we will criticize them when they lose, but not to that extent because we know they already have problems, right? But here, why we're so critical is because it looks like a top-notch team driving a Ferrari, you're crashing it every game. That's what the problem is right now.
Will Jackson.
Yeah,
it's like this is what we're saying.
Yeah, but the player आगे जा रहे हैं भाई, player आते जा रहे हैं मगर देखेंगे क्या होता है. Will Jackson, I mean, he was man of the match against Sunrise last time around. Let's see what he does this time. But yeah, until then, make sure you guys are hitting the like button, subscribe button. Congratulations to CSK fans. Commiserations to the Mumbai Indians fans. Stay tuned to Chasing Trophies for the latest updates from the IPL. Thank you, Faz. Thank you, everybody, and take care. Bye bye. Good night.